Are you ready to turn your conversations with AI into cash? In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful ways to make $1,000 a week using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or boost your income, these strategies are perfect for anyone who wants to tap into the potential of AI and start earning big. From freelancing gigs to building your own business, I'll show you exactly how to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to make real money. So, if you're excited to learn how to monetize AI and take your earnings to the next level, keep watching. First up, let's talk about the bread and butter of the online world content. We're talking blog posts, website articles, those viral social media posts everyone's sharing. ChatGPT can handle it all. Think about it. How much time do you spend racking your brain trying to come up with fresh, engaging content? Now imagine having ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for you. Let's say you want to start a blog about sustainable living. You could literally tell ChatGPT, write me a 1,000-word blog post about starting a zero-waste kitchen. Boom! Just like that, you've got a comprehensive, well-written article ready to be posted. And it's not just about writing. ChatGPT can help you come up with catchy titles, brainstorm content ideas, even optimize your content for SEO. That means more eyeballs on your work, and ultimately, more money in your pocket. And it doesn't stop at blogging. Imagine using ChatGPT to write scripts for your YouTube videos, or even create engaging captions for your Instagram posts. The possibilities are endless. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to content creation, and ChatGPT can help you stay ahead of the game. Now let's talk about turning your knowledge into cold, hard cash with online courses. Everyone's an expert in something, right? Whether it's photography, coding, or even making the perfect sourdough bread, there are people out there eager to learn from you. But creating a course from scratch can feel overwhelming. That's where our friend ChatGPT swoops in to save the day. Imagine feeding ChatGPT the outline of your course with all the key topics and talking points. ChatGPT can then help you flesh out each module, generate quizzes and worksheets, even write compelling sales copy to get people signing up. This means you spend less time on the tedious stuff and more time on what matters, sharing your expertise and building a community. And the best part about online courses? They're scalable. You create it once, and it can potentially generate passive income for years to come. So think about your passions, your skills, and how you can package them into a valuable course that people will pay for. With ChatGPT as your co-creator, the sky's the limit. Next up, we're diving into the world of social media management. This is a goldmine, guys, especially for anyone who loves all things social media. Businesses are desperate for help managing their online presence, and that's where you come in, armed with the power of ChatGPT. Think about it. Coming up with engaging captions day after day, scheduling posts, responding to comments, it's a lot to juggle. But ChatGPT can become your trusty sidekick, automating those tedious tasks and freeing up your time to focus on strategy and client communication. Imagine pitching a potential client with a social media strategy powered by AI. You could tell them, I'll use ChatGPT to generate high-converting captions, schedule your posts for optimal engagement, and even analyze your data to see what's working and what's not. That's music to a busy business owner's ears. And the best part? You can manage multiple clients at once, scaling your income as you go. Now, for those of you who love to write, listen up. We're talking about freelance copywriting and content writing, a field that's booming right now. But let's be real, churning out high-quality content day after day can be draining. That's where ChatGPT swoops in, like a superhero sidekick for your writing career. Imagine this. You land a gig writing website copy for a new tech startup. They need it yesterday, of course. Instead of pulling an all-nighter fueled by coffee, you feed ChatGPT the key information about the company, their target audience, and the desired tone. Boom! ChatGPT generates compelling, SEO-friendly copy in minutes. This means you can take on more clients, deliver faster turnaround times, and ultimately, increase your earning potential. And it's not just about speed. ChatGPT can help you overcome writer's block, generate fresh ideas, and even ensure your writing is grammatically flawless. It's like having a personal editor on call 24/7. Finally, let's talk about a truly unique way to cash in on the ChatGPT craze: selling prompts. Think of prompts like cheat codes for ChatGPT. They're specific instructions that tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of output to generate. And believe it or not, people are willing to pay good money for well-crafted prompts that save them time and effort. Imagine creating a prompt that helps people write compelling LinkedIn headlines, or a prompt that generates catchy slogans for their business. You could sell these prompts individually on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, or even create bundles of prompts tailored to specific niches. The beauty of this side hustle is that it's incredibly low overhead. Once you create the prompts, they can be sold over and over again, generating passive income for you. It's all about identifying a need in the market and creating a solution using the power of ChatGPT. And there you have it. 5 unique ways to earn $1,000 a week using ChatGPT. Whether you're creating content, managing social media, or selling digital products, there are so many opportunities out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Mindset for more tips like these, and comment below with the method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy earning. Also, don't forget to check out the videos in the description for more resources and tools to help you get started.